If you just go to Xfinity Internet, you can activate it yourself in minutes without a technician. So the first step is connecting the coax cable. So just find a outlet in your home and then screw the coax cable into the modem or gateway and tighten it finger tight. The next step is plugging in the modem. Connect the power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. Also give the modem 5 to 10 minutes to boot. You should see the online light eventually turn solid. Then connect the default Wi-Fi name printed on the modem label. You can also connect using an Ethernet cable. Then you can just download your Xfinity app and sign in. Tap Activate Internet and follow the instructions. The app registers your modem and turns on your internet. Choose the new Wi-Fi name and password inside the app. All devices will connect using this new network. Then open a website and run a speed test to confirm that everything works. Or restart the modem or try another cable outlet if it doesn't activate. And that's it. That's how you set up your Xfinity Internet, connect, activate, and create a Wi-Fi. That's it for this one. Enjoy the video. If it did help, make sure to leave us a comment letting us know if it was assistful, and thanks for watching.